Welcome back to Crypto Chronicles. If you're passionate about cryptocurrency, NFTs, and blockchain technology, you're in the right place. Today, we're kicking off our first episode by exploring a fundamental concept: what is a node? So, what exactly is a node? In the simplest terms, a node is a computer that participates in a blockchain network. Think of it as a participant in a decentralized system, helping to maintain and validate transactions on the blockchain. Nodes play a crucial role in ensuring that all participants in the network adhere to its rules. They keep a copy of the blockchain and validate new transactions, ensuring the integrity of the network. Now, there are several types of nodes, and it's essential to understand the differences. Let's break them down. Full nodes maintain a complete copy of the blockchain. They verify every transaction and block, contributing significantly to the network's security. Light nodes, or SPV nodes, don't store the entire blockchain. Instead, they keep only essential information, allowing them to verify transactions without needing as much storage. Mining nodes are part of proof-of-work systems, where they validate transactions by solving complex mathematical problems. They are rewarded with cryptocurrency for their efforts. Masternodes provide additional services, like facilitating instant transactions or governance in certain cryptocurrencies. They usually require a significant investment to operate. Nodes are vital for several reasons. Decentralization: they eliminate the need for a central authority, promoting transparency and reducing the risk of manipulation. Security: with multiple nodes maintaining copies of the blockchain, the system becomes more resilient against attacks. Consensus mechanism: nodes participate in consensus processes that help determine the validity of transactions, ensuring that everyone agrees on the state of the blockchain. So, there you have it. Nodes are essential components of blockchain networks that help maintain security, decentralization, and transaction integrity. In our next episode, we'll dive into how nodes actually work in a blockchain network. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from Crypto Chronicles. See you next time.